Welcome, my friends, to my channel. I am Dr. Bob. Please follow me, not in order, to receive all new updates on everything related to your health. Creating a plant-based diet can be a healthy and fun way to explore a variety of plant-based meals. Here's a basic outline to get you started. Objectives: ensure a balanced diet with all essential nutrients. Incorporate a variety of vegetables, fruits, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Plan meals that are easy to prepare and delicious. Key nutrients to consider: protein: beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, edamame, quinoa, nuts, seeds, dairy products or dairy alternatives. Iron: dark leafy vegetables, legumes, fortified grains, and seeds. Pair it with foods rich in vitamin C for better absorption. Calcium: dairy or fortified plant milks, tofu, almonds, and leafy green vegetables. Vitamin B12: fortified cereals, plant-based milks, and nutritional supplements. Omega-3 fatty acids: flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and algae supplements. Sample weekly meal plan. Monday: breakfast smoothie with spinach, banana, almond milk, chia seeds, and peanut butter. Lunch: quinoa salad with chickpeas, cucumber, tomato, avocado, lemon tahini dressing. Dinner: fried tofu with mixed vegetables and brown rice. Tuesday: breakfast: overnight oats with berries, almond butter, and flax seeds. Lunch: lentil soup with whole grain bread. Dinner is a veggie burger with sweet potato fries and a side salad. Wednesday: breakfast: Greek yogurt with granola, honey, and fresh fruit. Lunch: hummus and vegetables with spinach, peppers, and carrots. Dinner: eggplant parmesan with a side of spaghetti and marinara sauce. Thursday: breakfast: avocado toast on whole grain bread with cherry tomatoes. Lunch: black bean and corn salad with cilantro lime dressing. Dinner: vegetable curry with tofu and basmati rice. Friday: breakfast smoothie bowl with mixed berries, granola, and coconut flakes. Lunch: spinach and feta cheese stuffed with portobello mushrooms. Dinner: margarita pizza with a side dish of mixed vegetables. Saturday: breakfast: pancakes with maple syrup and a side of fresh fruit. Lunch: tomato and mozzarella sandwich with basil and balsamic sauce. Dinner: bell peppers stuffed with quinoa, black beans, corn, and cheese. Sunday: breakfast: chia pudding with mango and coconut milk. Lunch: grilled vegetable skewers and halloumi with couscous salad. Dinner: pasta with marinara sauce and a side of roasted Brussels sprouts. Snacks: fresh fruit, nuts and seeds, hummus with vegetable sticks, Greek yogurt, whole grain crackers with cheese or nut butter. Tips for success: meal prep: spend a few hours each week preparing ingredients to save time on busy days. Variety: mix up your meals to keep things interesting and include a range of nutrients. Cooking techniques: experiment with different cooking methods such as grilling, roasting, steaming, and stir-frying. Seasonings: use a variety of herbs and spices to enhance the flavors of your dishes. Stay hydrated: drink plenty of water and add hydrating foods like cucumber and watermelon. By following this blueprint, you can enjoy a nutritious and delicious plant-based diet that supports your health and well-being.